What is up, guys? It's Shamsi here with a new video. Thanks for tuning in. And before I start, I just want to say thank you for 920 subscribers. It means the world to me, bro. We are grinding, we're getting up there. 79 subscribers to go until we hit 1K. So let's get it. Share with your friends, subscribe, do the whole shebang. Yeah. So without further ado, let's get it and play my intro. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Q&A. I asked you guys on Instagram to send me a couple questions, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's going to be right here on the screen. I asked you guys to send me a couple questions. A couple of you guys did, and I gave them a cheeky answer. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video, bro. First question comes from ST, and he just said no. What? Huh? Yeah, he said no. Second question comes from Kums.099, aka Kummus. His question was, when are you hosting a meet? I don't plan on hosting any meets anytime soon. Probably if my following gets bigger. I currently rep for Ghetto Street Meet, AT UK and HT UK, so and M1 crew. So I don't really plan on doing any meets. I collab with them, but yeah, sometime in the future maybe. But as for now, nothing really. Alright, cool. So third question comes from Arbiz Moto. To go check him out. Sick photographic content. Go check him out. And his question is, when you selling your car and buying something rear-wheel drive? Funny you should say that, mate, because I got something in the works, you know what I'm saying? We got something stirring in the pot. Rear-wheel drive. I'm not selling the ST. The ST is staying for a very long time, so I'm probably gonna get like a second car or a third car. Probably I'm not sure what drift car I'll get, but I'm gonna get something rear-wheel drive. Don't worry, I've got something for you. Cool. So fourth question comes from Blue MZT, and his question is, collab? Will I do a collab with you? Yes, I will. Just hit me up on Instagram. You know, just let me know, and we'll sort something out. You know, very friendly. Always open to new ideas. So just holler me. Sweet. Third question is from Forever Hustler, and she said, "Why are you always ghosting?" Well, not ghosting. You can message me as well, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah. Next question. Fifth question comes from Nick23Red. Shout out to Nick, you got a sick Ford Focus. I love that. His question is, what car should I get next? Needs to be techie inside and quick. As soon as you said that, the only car that I could think of, well, not the only car, but you know, if you can get a Tesla, get a Tesla. That's flipping rapid, and the tech inside is nuts. But another car that you can get that has a lot of tech is the Clio 1.6 turbos. Obviously, you know, from 2013 onwards, they got a lot of tech in them. Like for automatic, you know, DSG, sick little car, and you can change, you know, the engine notes through the RS monitor. It's crazy. Like the only reason why I didn't get that car is because they had no more in the dealership, and I needed a car ASAP. Like as soon as my Clio broke, I needed a car, and I was like, Ford Fiesta, big aftermarket, a lot of videos, a lot of content. Let me get the Fiesta. Like I couldn't wait around for the Clio 1.6 turbo to come around. So yeah, sad, but I might get one in the future hopefully. But I think you should look at them ones. You're probably gonna enjoy it. So yeah, seventh question comes from Chief Rubein, and he said, what are your goals when it comes to making content on YouTube/Instagram? Now, to be honest, I started YouTube because I was bored. Like I never thought I would get to like this position and have this much influence. I don't want to be famous, because if you mess up or make one mistake or say one wrong thing, you get slated for it. Like, nah, I don't really want that, to be honest. But you see how it goes. It is what it is. I'm gonna continue making Instagram posts, and photography for other cars and my car as well. YouTube, still gonna document my life, document the Fiesta, document many other cars that's coming into the scenario, and stay tuned, stick around, you're gonna love it, mate. So 8th question comes from Manu Teknu, and he just said, wave. Hello mate, hope you're doing well. Subscribe and stay tuned. Cool. 9th question comes from Yaroslav Gashenkov. I butchered that name, bro. I'm so sorry. He just said, hi Shamsi. Hello mate, hope you're doing well. Like I said, subscribe, stick around, like all my posts, lovely mate. And that 10th question? 10th question comes from Shari, and he said, how long you been working on cars now? That's nuts. Cool. So I was working for Quick Fit in 2017 for about a couple months. I've been working on cars ever since then. I've just been doing little bits here and there on my car. Done a lot. I could do a lot. I've been working on cars for a minute. Thanks for dropping a question, everybody. I do love that. Do appreciate that. And another question comes from RS197_Chris. How much you missing the Clio? Bro, man, I miss the Clio so much, bro. Like, it's so weird. Like, as it sits right now, I would say that the Clio is faster than my Fiesta as it is right now. Literally, I was straight off the bat. Do I miss it? Oh man, I miss it so much. If I could have another chance to hop into another Clio, experience the NA one more time, I would gladly jump at it. Absolute miss it. Definitely I'm getting another Clio in the future. Trust me. Within the next year, I should have another Clio. Oh, I'm sorry, mate. And the final question is from Josh Marsha 11. What's the nicest car you have ever had the pleasure of seeing in person? Ooh, that is a bit tricky because I've seen a couple nice cars, but there's been a handful of cars that has made me say wow, like literally wow. And that is how can I say this?
Okay, I was waffling in this last part, so I'm gonna say the car that made me say wow, or a couple cars, would be Arvile's Fiesta ST, M4 Joker's M4, Joe's Meglio, which is the one that I videoed on my channel, and Hung M4. I think those are the nicest cars I've seen in person, and I was like, fuck, mate, that is nice. That is nice. Oh, and JD's VXR, yes. Those are the ones. Like I said, I was waffling. I got put on the spot. Josh, why did you have to ask me that question? Josh gave me a tricky question, bruv. But yeah, man. I think that's the end of the Q&A.
It's been your boy Shamsi signing out. Peace.